become future stars. Chapter 2. Know about Windows 11. Windows is a group of programs called an operating system (OS) that controls a computer. More than 1 billion people around the world use Windows to work, learn and play. The first version of Windows, called Windows 1.0, was launched in 1985. Later, many versions were released, such as Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Windows 1.0, 1985. Windows 3.1, 1992. Windows 95, 1995. Windows XP, 2001. Windows Vista, 2006. Windows 7, 2009. Windows 8, 2012. Windows 10, 2015. Windows 11. Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. Microsoft has officially released Windows 11, and anyone with a compatible laptop or PC can upgrade now. The new operating system comes with a completely new and fresh interface, new apps and features, and some functionality changes. Features of Windows 11. Here are some important features of Windows 11. Mac-like interface. Windows 11 features a clean design with rounded corners and pastel shades. The Start menu and taskbar are in the center of the screen. InfoSol. Windows was first produced by Microsoft in November 1985, and it has been updated regularly. Before Windows, PCs could only be operated with text commands. Integrated Android apps. You can download and use Android apps on Windows 11. These apps are available from the Amazon App Store and Microsoft Store. Widgets. You can now open widgets directly from the taskbar. Widgets show news, weather, calendar, and other information you like. It usually reflects our interests and the way we work. Gaming. Windows 11 supports gaming on computers that are ready for it. It gives better graphics and faster speed while playing games. Features like HDR and direct storage help the games look more real and load faster. Better virtual desktop support. Windows 11 can set up virtual desktops by toggling between multiple desktops for personal, work, school, or gaming use. You can also change your wallpaper on each virtual desktop. Better multitasking. The new OS includes features called Snap Groups and Snap Layouts, which is a collection of the apps you are using at once. They stay on the taskbar and help you open or minimize all the windows together. This makes it easier to switch between tasks. They also let you plug and unplug from a monitor more easily without losing where your open windows are located. We can arrange 2 or more windows side by side, or one bigger and one smaller. You can also arrange them in a vertical column or stack them up. Sign into Windows 11 PC. When you turn on your PC computer, you will first see the date, time and day. Click on it and you will see a login screen with your name and photo. Log in using the correct username and password and click on the arrow right next to it. Once you are logged in, you will land on the desktop. This is where you can play games, open pictures and documents, and use different apps. Windows 11 has an all-new Start menu which has the Windows 11 logo as its icon. Components of Windows 11. Start menu. The Start menu is the first button on the taskbar. Time and date. Search button. File Explorer. Microsoft Store. Notification area. When you click on the Windows 11 Start menu, it opens up a group of icons like Microsoft Edge, Mail, Calendar, Microsoft Store, Photos, Settings, Office, Xbox and many more. Taskbar. The Windows 11 interface has a new taskbar at the bottom of the main home screen. The taskbar has 7 icons, small pictures, that help you open apps like Start Menu, Search, Task View, File Explorer, Mail, Microsoft Store and Google Chrome. Search. The Windows 11 search function is located in the Windows 11 taskbar. It is the second icon. When you click on the Windows 11 search button, a screen comes up that allows you to search the files, folders, apps, etc. located on your PC. You can also click on the More menu to find the apps as shown in the picture. The Windows 11 search function seems to be cleaner in Windows 11 and allows you to find what you're looking for in a faster and more efficient manner. Widgets. Windows 11 widgets are located at the left corner of the Windows 11 taskbar. Windows 11 widgets are composed of weather, money market, sports and top stories. Windows 11 widgets are scrollable. Depending on the number of widgets you have, you can scroll vertically to see more. You can also click on the cross 7 on each widget to close the contents of the widget. Task View. Windows 11 has a new Task View function. It is located as the third icon in the Windows 11 taskbar. The Task View functionality allows the user to switch between multiple Windows 11 desktop views. You can switch between desktops in Windows 11 using the Task View functionality. File Explorer. File Explorer is the fourth icon in the Windows 11 taskbar. It helps you find and open files and folders on your computer. It works like a cupboard where all your documents, pictures, and videos are kept safely. To open File Explorer, press the Windows key. +C on the keyboard. Settings. In Windows 11, Settings is the place where you can make changes to the configuration of the Windows 11 operating system. To get to Windows 11 settings, the fastest way is by clicking on the first icon in the taskbar, the Start menu. Then once you click on that, you are presented with the settings screen. Shut down Windows 11. Let's learn to shut down the Windows 11. 1. To shut down your PC, click on the Start menu button. Look for the Power button at the bottom right corner of the Start menu. 2. Click on Power button and you will see the options to sleep, shut down or restart your PC. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F4 to shut down your PC. The screen shown on the side will appear. Click on the down arrow. A list of various options will appear. 3. Click on the shutdown. The system will shut down in a few minutes. Quick tips. Never shut down your PC directly by pressing the power button. This can corrupt files and potentially damage your computer. Reboot. The first version of Windows launched in 1985 was Windows 1.0. Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. Windows 11 can set up virtual desktops by toggling between multiple desktops. You can also click on the cross 7 on each widget to close the contents of the widget. To shut down the PC, click on the Start menu and then click on the Power button on the bottom right corner. Like, share, and subscribe.